All suggestion of age, poverty, limitation, or unhappiness is uprooted from my mind and cannot gain entrance to my thought. I am happy, well, and filled with perfect life. I live in the spirit of truth and am conscious that the spirit of truth lives in me. My word is the law unto its own manifestation, and will bring to me or cause me to be brought to its fulfillment. There is no unbelief, no doubt, no uncertainty. I know, and I know that I know. Let every thought of doubt vanish from my mind, that I may know the truth, and the truth may make me free. The truth is instantaneous in its demonstration, taking only such time in its unfoldment as is inherent in the law of a logical and sequential evolution. In this invisible law of unfoldment, we must come to trust, and although we do not see the way, we must believe that the way is and is operative. We must trust the invisible, for it is the sole cause of that which is visible. Things which are seen were not made of things which do appear. Hebrews 11:3. Healing and demonstration take place as our minds become attuned to the truth of being. There is no process of healing, but there is generally a process in healing. This process is the time and effort which we undergo in our realizations of truth. The one who wishes scientifically to work out his problems must daily take the time to meditate and mentally treat the condition, no matter what the apparent contradictions may be. He is working silently in the law, and the law will find an outlet through his faith in it. This law is the law which puts the act into all action. It is the invisible actor, working through us to will and to do. As a result of right treatment, the mold formed in the subjective mind by the treatment makes possible a concrete manifestation. The treatment is an intelligent energy in the invisible world. It is a spiritual entity working through the law of mind, and it is an actual force now consciously directed. Therefore, it must produce specific results. This will not seem strange to those who have given thought to the subject. As the primordial word of the Creator is the only thing which explains creation, so every man's word, partaking of this original nature as it does, must reproduce the creative function in his life at the level of his consciousness of one life back of, in, and through all. A treatment is a spiritual entity in the mental world and is equipped with power and volition, as much power and volition as there is faith in it, given to it by the mind of the one using it. And, operating through the law, it knows exactly how to work and what methods to use, and just how to use them. We do not put the power into this word, but we do let the power of the law flow through it, and the one who most completely believes in this power will produce the best results. This is the law of cause and effect again. When one gives a treatment for right action, and does not believe that right action will be the result, he makes his own treatment negative. Therefore, we should spend much time in convincing ourselves of the truth of our treatments. Now, this is not a power of will, but a power of choice. We do not put the power into the treatment, and we will take out of the treatment only as much as we believe is in it. If one doubts his ability to give an effective treatment, he should specifically treat himself to remove this doubt. He should say something like this, but not necessarily these words. I am convinced that this word has power, and I firmly believe in it. I trust it to produce the right results in my life, or in the life of the one for whom I am using my word. Ernest Holmes, The Science of Mind, How to Use Part 4, read by Rich Jarvis, RSCP of prayersradio.com.